a monster versus cat.
Hold all the shirts up and explain them.
Monster versus cat.
What's this shirt?
What's all this color? And there's a monster versus cat. Monster versus cat.
Okay, what's the next one?
Monster versus cat.
Whoa.
Monster versus cat. Monster versus cat.
Whoa.
Monster versus cat. Can I try this on? I will wear this to school too.
All right. Do you like your new clothes?
Yeah. Can I try this on?
Can
I try this on?
Yep.
How do I get on?